Okay, let's dive right in. Ever wonder why you trust a random review more than a big, fancy ad? Seriously, think about it. When you're shopping online, who are you going to believe? Is it the slick professional ad, or that kind of shaky but super honest review from a real person?
If you went with the review, well, you already get the power of user-generated content, or UGC.
So what is it? Basically, any content, videos, pics, reviews, made by everyday people, not brands.
This whole thing turns us into what some people call prosumers, both consuming and producing. Basically, we've gone from a culture of just watching stuff to a culture of making it.
And look, this isn't brand new. It's just evolved from letters to the editor to, well, viral TikToks. So why is this stuff so powerful? Why does it work better than a $1 million ad campaign? 3 simple reasons. It's authentic, it's relatable, and for companies, it's basically free marketing.
Okay, enough with the theory. Let's look at how some of the biggest brands use this in real life.
First up, GoPro. They're a perfect example. They're way more than just a camera company.
See, their whole strategy is brilliant. They let their customers sell the adventure for them.
Or how about Lego? They literally turn their customers into their R&D department. It's genius. Through their Lego Ideas site, fans design and vote on new sets. The best ones actually get made.
What does this mean? Lego gets to build products that they know people already want to buy.
And maybe the biggest UGC project of all, something we all use, Wikipedia. It's the ultimate wisdom of the crowd. It proves that volunteers can build a world-class encyclopedia. But letting everyone contribute isn't always a good thing. There are some serious downsides. You've got huge problems with moderation, thorny questions about who owns what, and of course, misinformation. So when you put it all together, what's the big picture here? What does all this mean?
It's a massive shift in power. Authority has gone from institutions to individuals, to us.
So really, UGC isn't just some passing trend. It's pretty much the architecture of the internet now.
And that leaves us with one last question to think about. Are you the consumer or the content?